What's the password?
I see dead people.
Get your talk, Mr. Selector.
They not like us. 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 They not like
Zombie.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Put it on that beat.
Watch the heart beat, ho, beat, ho, beat. Nigga feel free, man down, all like over the lambs. Never breathe, Nella nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these phony ass niggas trying to see Compton? They ain't just speaking hate. Come on in, mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body and John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up the score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, but he got flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block and run. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that gets your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And brother got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boy, certified pedophile. Come up, I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Tryna strike a chord, and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 You think the pay gon' let you disrespect pop, nigga? I think that Oakland shit will be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretend. What is the hour? Niggas and bird bitches go. The audience not dumb. Shoot the stories how you want. Hey, Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. See, there's some P-Rest that's for bitching. You Malibu most wanted. Ain't no love boy, you ball boy, like Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas are getting wedgie. You flipped over your boxes. Over your foe. The other vaginal option. See, you better straight they push. My favorite song in content. I write this with a document. Tryna pop stuff, quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action, no accident. I'm hands on, he around, get polished. Wayne go, he's in jail, that's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad he rose, came home, but didn't deserve him neither. Melange down to Central, nigga, that not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on your watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me, and I'ma send it up the block. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chick music, and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, here's 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a us, we outside. Ay. They not like us. 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 Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Better wait me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. Let me break it down for you. It's a real nigga challenge. You got a future when you do see the club. Yo, baby, help me get your little up. 21, get your 4th Street cred. Love that you feel like you a slime in your head. They gon' say you could be from north side. Two chains say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. When you met a colleague, you a fucking colonizer. The family matter and the truth of the matter. It was God's plan to show y'all the liar.